this is the part 3 Fortnite. Let's go.
Bro, what do
Gonna
you
find
mean?
my chest.
Yeah.
Find my chest. What's this slipper? Smart was the ball.
Hey, yeah.
Gonna find
Oh, my chest! Bro, I have my gun.
Got my chest. Whee!
Bro, it also... Ito lang kay Jojo ah.
No, that's my gun. Alright, let's give it to him. Ayaw niya. Oh, let's go! I got a lot of weapons. Even the drone I get. And the energy drinks.
I have an energy drink. I'm gonna save this for later. Nilagay ko na daw sa backpack.
Zing! I got my hammer. Fortnite! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Nakaakyat daw. Ay, magayag.
Akit na ako the most tallest building. At saka, the most tallest, house.
Ako daw naka...
I'm going on the bridge now.
Sabay daw tayo.
Ooh! Ooh!
Binabaril-baril daw kita.
Whee!
Nakasunod daw ako sa'yo.
Hindi mo na ako masusundan.
Nakita daw kita sa mapa.
So guys, we're trying to save my life. Alright guys, let's go.
Ah!
Ping! Uy, bawal yun. Dalawa-dalawa armas.
Ay, lagay ko na to dito.
Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Nakaiwas daw ako.
Di ba tumatalo na ng Fortnite? Characters doon. Ako doon si Peely.
Ako dun si...
Si Banana Peel yun ha. Si
Oh.
Peely. Pangalan niya, Peely.
Ako si Deadpool. Ay, ako na.
Oh, there's a Mentos! You can use this.
Tignan mo yung nasa loob. Tapos ay mo. Hot sauce.
Oh!
Hot sauce. Ay, matakaan. Hot sauce.
Smells really bad.
Ay, baboy na. Oh, bro, it's super Mario. Try the hot sauce.
That is no spice. I need more spice. Bakit nainit ka na yan? But TNT grenade! I got my water gun. I got my TNT water bottle.
Walang ganon. Uy, bawal dalawa-dalawa.
Eh di ilalagay ko sa pocket ko. Gonna change it. Here we go. TNT pocket. Bawal inside. You're gonna dead. Ooh. Mapapasok tayo pa. Ooh.
Bawal pwede inside, pero bawal grenade sa inside.
Look at these guys. Look at this grenade. I'm gonna splash it there. Let's go hide to my base. Just gonna wait in and relax. It's actually a soda. My actual one is in my pocket. Ding. This is the real one. You can take mine. Na-change ko na. It was good. TNT coffee.
Guys, we're gonna defeat him. Bro, ba't mo pinasasalpon ko?
Pinasa cellphone mo.
We're gonna shut down with boom. Ayun!
I almost hit you. With the power of
I say, right, boom, three, boom, wala na hit. Yeah. Guys, that's almost. say right foot. Good greedy.
I'm gonna wake her phone.
Like a pig. Bro! Bro, 40,000 yan!
Ano 40,000?
That's so cheap, bro.
Oh, boom! Patay ka na! Patay ka na!
That's a
You think that's funny?
That's what you get kasi binasama.
Di naman sa mukha. Okay guys, the Fortnite game is over.